Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I've got something for your face that you need. The Cremo beard products. You got the beard wash, scruff softener, and beard oil. Every one of these is extremely necessary and helpful with maintaining your beard. I know that my beard is not very long due to the job that I've got, but during the wintertime especially, I get lots of beard dandruff. The Cremo brand beard products help condition and oil my beard, giving it a nice sheen and moisturizes my face. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything but helps me out a lot. Okay, here we've got the beard and face wash, the Cremo brand, and this stuff works really good. First thing I'll do is I'll shake it up. Then it says a dollop in your hand, which is about that much, I would say. First thing you want to do is wet your beard. Now just rub that together, wash it in really good, and then rinse it out. Now that you've got it rinsed out, what you're going to do is put your beard and scruff softener on from Cremo. Again, I'm just going to wet my beard, put a little bit in my palm, and I'm going to just lather this onto my beard and let it sit for about 30 seconds. Now we're just going to rinse it back out. Then I'm going to take a towel, just lightly dry my beard here. Now the stuff that really makes this shine and makes your beard healthy is this Cremo beard oil. I love this stuff. Just give it a little shake. It's got a nice eyedropper here. I'll put about a dropper full in my hand. Kind of rub it together in my hand and apply it into your beard in a downward motion. You want to rub it down into where it gets under your skin and covers all your hair. Makes it very soft and helps with beard dandruff. All right, as you can see in that video, it did a good job on washing my beard and putting a nice sheen, and it's really soft now. Really like this stuff, and it really helps with that beard dandruff, especially with the uniform that I wear. It shows all over it if I scratch my face or whatever. It gets that nasty beard dandruff on there. If you want some of your own, go ahead and click on that link down in the description and get yourself some.